Hi, and welcome back to Indice. We're going to take a look at one of the exciting new features in our current release, Drill Down. There's multiple different ways you can drill down on reporting documents. There's drill down, drill in, drill across, drill through, drill replace. Much depends on what you're trying to achieve. Most people tell us they just want to see what lies beneath the numbers that are currently displayed. So Indice has two different ways you can do that. One we call expand, and the other we call zoom in. When we expand values, we're simply sliding open the underlying values beneath what we see on the screen. In this case, we're going to open up 2008 and see what lies beneath. That'll expand it to the 4 quarters that are normally associated with 2008. My sample data only has Q1 and Q2 values in there, so that's why we only see the 2 columns. We can also collapse that. Just click the corresponding button, and we will zoom back or collapse back to the top and close up those quarters, leaving only the total for the year above. Now we can also do what we commonly refer to as a drill replace, or with Indice, what we call zoom in. If we click that little plus symbol next to the year 2008, it's going to do the same kind of thing. It's going to expand to show us Q1 and Q4, but it's going to discard all the other values, essentially applying an in-place filter to your report for the year 2008 only. Similarly, if we click the plus button on Q4, it would further apply a filter, limiting the values returned only to the months associated with Q4. Once again, my sample data is limited to just the months November and December. If we want to remove those in-place filters and essentially drill back up to the top, we just click the minus symbols associated with those filters, and we'll now zoom in and collapse the original report. You can actually achieve the same net effect off of our new tooltips. Expanded tooltips allow you that same drill feature anywhere on the report. Additionally, we can also do things like resort any particular column in the report using that same tooltip. Now, these same types of drills work with your charts as well. Let's have a quick look at that. I'm going to open up the top 5 countries chart. We have a simple pie chart showing sales for the top 5 countries. I can hover over these. I can bring up the tooltip, in this case for Canada. I can click on that and I can drill into Canada. And if I hover over British Columbia, we can drill into BC and see several of the different cities associated with British Columbia. And if I hover over Vancouver, we'll get our tooltip pops up. I can drill in and see the biggest customers associated with Vancouver. A great way to be able to do more with your data. So thanks for joining us.